Good. Pop it. 1, 2. Cross across. That's it. Good. That's it. Good. Do cross. Good. Extend it. Get that shoulder up. There you go. Good. Good. Over. That's it. Don't worry about moving. I come here, go over there. Cross. Hook. Cross. Up forward to jab. Pop it. Is that the rest?
Yeah.
Relax a little bit. Visualize that in your mind. Make sure you're going over it.
Yeah.
Where those feet go and what your opponent does. That's how you control them. And if they do move correctly, that's cool too. Now you're just going to pop your jab when you get there, do your stance right, and try to catch them with your punches.
Yeah.
Right? I might hit now. I might punch in the face, then step. Try to get you to go over there, right? Because I'm punching over here. I want you to get square.
Yeah.
Double right, or hooks, whatever. There's all kinds of
shit.
shit.
Right, because you hit me, then I stepped and squared, and you hit me again with the right.
Exactly. Or you might go to the body. Step, get him to go over. Now you got him.
Yeah.
Squared up. But the key in that too is catching them on that in between. If you clear when I step, if you totally get clear,
right,
throwing across is going to be, it's not there. It's when I go here, as soon as I see that hip go, boom, I'm catching you. Good. Pop it. You'll see guys in boxing where they'll get hit and they call it a flash knockdown. Yeah. That's a flash knockdown because your ass was square when you got hit. Yeah. Right? It didn't hurt him, but it knocked him out his ass because he was squared up. Yeah. Cross across. Chin down. Your chin's up a lot when you're doing combos. Yeah.
Especially with the taller fighter, I do it a lot.
Yep. Doesn't matter whether they're tall, short, fucking medium, super tall, super short, man, woman, or child. Cross. Extend it. Yeah, jab. Yeah. Step forward. Yeah. Good. Make sure you're keeping a good stance. Good. Good. Cross across. That's it. Bring your head. Good. Stay with me. Good. Jab, cross, across. Good. And now do it again. Good. Extend it. Yes. Step forward. Cross across. Good. Right back to your stance. Four. Good. And now. Pop. Pop. There you go. Not too bad. Your punches are hard.
Yeah. It's just sometimes I go for speed in that swing, I'm not extending all the way. And as always, if I'm sparring, sometimes I don't extend my cross because I don't want to be in the line of fire. I'll be able to like get back quickly, but I know it's not.
Well, when you punch and that thing's extended, they're going off of your punch.
Yeah.
The energy's hitting them back. Yeah. If it's bent, they're going to be able to plow right through it. It's just like if you do a push-up and your arms are extended, you can hold that shit all day. Yeah. But try doing it like that. Yeah. Way more difficult. This is cake. Those arms are locked out. Right? The same thing. When you boom, the energy's going that way. There's none coming back to you. Yeah. And that's the key. You gotta get those locked out. You'll knock dudes out with a jab. I've done that. It's on YouTube also. YouTube. Jab, MMA. And I've knocked guys down with a jab in boxing. Just boom. Straight up. They're trying to get in because they got to get into that range. And they run right into it. Not even because I'm some kind of powerful puncher. It's just, fuck, if you run into a pole with no muscles, you'll knock yourself out. Right? So you want to get that extension. And it's hard. It's a lot harder of a punch. I'm probably seeing all kinds of unscientific shit. No. Step forward. Good. Extend it. That's it. And there's a fine line in there. Your elbow's going to hurt. That's just how it is. They call it boxer's elbow. If you've never felt it, you haven't been fucking punching right. Every good boxer gets it. Yep, do it again. Good. Step over there. Hold your ground. That's it. Now step to your left. Hold that center. Good. Step back to your right. Cross across. Jab. Good. Good. 1, 2. Step forward. Jab. That's it. To your right. Cross across. Good. Stay with me. Pop it. 2. Cross across. Good. Extend it. Chin down. Good. That's it. Jab. Jab. Good. 1, 2. Good. Last. Yep. Oh, you're working on footwork though.
Yeah.
You'll see it too. Come out and the guy does it, you get all excited like, shit! And then forget to punch. There it is. That's what he was talking about. It's there. 5 seconds. Do a couple more.
Okay.
Step forward. 1, 2. Good. If you feel you get out of range a little bit, step forward with it. But do it with it. Make sure you got a punch in there. It doesn't have to be the hardest punch. You just want to keep that range. If I step forward, you keep me at the end.
Right.
And I move back, stay on it. Bam. That's it. Right at the end. Good. Cross it across. And down. Do it again. That's it. 2. Good. Cross across. Good. Good. Over there. And cross. Stay on me. Step forward in. That's it. Good. Over here. Jab. Give me that jab when you go. So if I come to that back foot, jab. Now step forward 1, 2.
Okay.
Do it again. Bang. Bang. Step forward again and jab. That's it. That's relax. Lean back. Extend that arm. Do it again. Boom. 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 Step forward and jab. That's it. 2. Alright, try again. Now step forward. Get over there and jab. Do it again. Boom. Step forward. Boom. And jab. That's it. Lean back. Do it again. Boom. That's it. That's it. And a lot of times when I go here and you step over and jab, I'm going to be just like that.
Yeah.
Right? Bam, just like that. So if I'm here, you step to my back foot, that's freeze. Right?
How come you got me when I did the right thing? You know,
What?
we did the same thing, I guess?
Yeah,
Okay.
we both did the right thing. I
Okay.
didn't let you fucking get over my square side.
Yeah.
If you go over that, I'm hitting you too.
Yeah.
If the person moves correctly, it's whoever hits first.
Yeah.
Right? So you might have the mirror image of you that you're fighting. That's all good. Now you just got to put your punches in there to mix up so they forget about the feet.
Yeah.
If we're here and I say move around, okay, I want you circling. And then I come in and I start doing, why'd you stop circling?
Yeah.
Because you stopped thinking about it. Right? Even just that little bullshit split second thing.
Yeah.
Once you start punching, they forget about the feet.
Mm-hmm.
If they're not trained.
Right.
Once you get your feet trained, it's like natural. Guys will be like, yeah, this guy's a naturalist. How's he, how's he stay calm, keep moving his feet? It's practice, that's it.
So when you come at me punch like I just did, if I keep punching as I move, then I'm fine.
Yeah, you want to make sure they're good punches. I mean, you're not just going to flail a guy.
Yeah.
I just did that to prove a point that once punches start coming at you, I can tell you, I told you 2 seconds ago to circle. But once I started putting shit around you, you didn't circle. Because you're like, what the fuck is he doing, right? Same idea. If you step over here, right, and I jab at you, you got to start putting something on me now.
Yeah.
Now it just means this guy knows how to move, he's got good footwork, so I got to start mixing this up, messing his hands up. So I might go, bam, bam, bam. Now I'm going to step to that back foot and see what he does. Is he going to go over there? Still over here going jab. Okay, this dude's got his shit together.
Okay.
Now I'm going to try to maybe come over top. Maybe I'm going to bait him into something. You know, this is where you start this is where the fun part comes in because it's the game. It's the chess match. If you just come out and I step like this, it's over, man. It's over. There's just no, you're not ready for me. Right? So if you are, either way I'm getting excited. I'm either going to get a knockout or I'm going to have a match with this dude and it's going to be fun. You know? So either way it's exciting, but there is a difference. And the difference is the guy has footwork, now you got to mess him up with the punches. And you got to change his game up, make him make mistakes with his feet. That's it. Nice and relaxed. Good. So I step, boom, step forward, and then jab. Good. Nice and relaxed. And if he's still there, if he still has something for him, you keep those punches going.
Yeah.
Right? But the key is you get that jab because it's like, okay, let me see what's up. I don't just want to get over there and start going, I got him.
Yeah.
And he might get his feet right when you're throwing, because it can happen to you too.
Yeah.
When you're throwing punches. You might try to go off on the guy, but if he gets you square and you don't adjust to it, your ass will get knocked out too. So you got to make sure, either way, whether they're punching at you, you're punching at them, you got to be aware of what the feet are doing. That's the key. Is that timer on?
Yeah.
30
It
seconds.
just said 30 second rest, so.
Just now? Alright, that's get one more.
Yep.
I know it's a lot of talking, but that's important shit.
Yeah.
That's important shit. It's going to separate someone who's in there swinging their arms from someone who's in their real pugilist.
That should be one of the first things I notice, right, when we get in there.
Yep. It's the first thing I notice.
Yeah.
I don't give a fuck about your muscles.
Yeah.
How are you going to do with them if you can't get your feet right?
Yeah.
So if I go like this and you decide to go over there, oh man, you're not even ready for me. Now it's a wrap. I'll be dropping my hands and doing all kinds of shit. 1, 2. Step forward.